In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix account needs attention error on Uber app. If you're getting this error where you are told required attention, go online when resolved, or please contact support about your account, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so if you are experiencing this case, the first thing you need to do is to go to your phone and check and ensure that you are not using any VPN app or any recently installed security app, as this might be sending wrong information about your location or security threats on your account. You'll need to uninstall them to fix this error. However, if that's not the case, try and troubleshoot your app by going to settings, and from settings go down to apps, and under apps look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Uber, tap on it to open the app info page, go to for stop app and OK, go to clear data, clear cache, OK, and then clear all data. Here, restart your smartphone, and once you're done, now go to Google Play Store, search for your Uber app and check if we have any update your app to the latest version. Once you're done, now log into your account and see if the error has been resolved and if you can use your account without any issue. However, at this point, if you still can't use your account, then most likely you might have violated Uber policies. For that, you'll need to contact support team using the inbuilt option mechanism or the web-based version on official Uber website to contact support and try fix your issue. So let me know which of this was able to solve your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.